Hey guys, it's been a while. So this is a raw vlog. Um, these are my bar ends. I placed bar ends on my Ducati because I wanted to dampen the vibration, especially when I do long rides. So when you're in the highway, there's a lot of vibration. It causes a lot of numbness on my right hand, especially because this is your throttle. So I placed bar ends on it. So these are very good high quality bar ends. These are made by DMV. So yeah, you can see the name there. So DMV is a company in Taiwan. There you go. And these are bar ends, and so it has quite a weight to it. Based on the website, it's around 200 plus grams. So that's around zero point 0.4 pounds. Yeah, so it's not that heavy, but it's able to dampen the vibration on this one. So for my review, yes, it was able to dampen the vibration a bit. It became much more comfortable. It's noticeably comfortable, but it's still vibey. I still get numbness, but it takes longer time before I get the numbness, and that is expected because come on, guys, this is a Ducati. If you want a smooth bike, get an inline four. The less cylinders that you have, the more vibration. That's why single cylinders are known as thumpers, or your vibey bikes. Twins are not that smooth also because it's just two. If you want a smooth twin, get a parallel twin, but this is an L twin, so expect a lot of vibration. And of course, yeah, you can see how big the headers are. That's because it has a big inlet to the motorcycle, to the engine, because it produces a lot of power. So with great power comes great heat, and also a lot of vibration. And Ducatis are known to vibrate a bit, but this is a modern bike, so it's less vibey, but it is still vibey, so it is still manageable. There's no gripe to it. So I use this. These are good, but I'm going to replace this with new ones. So yeah, I like this, but I'm going to try something new. Also, you see the rubber here, it expands inside, and that's why it is able to absorb it a bit. And I also added more metals inside there. See, I'm not sure if you can see there, it's a bit rusted. There you go. I added more metal, so it weighs a bit, so maybe zero point 0.5 pounds, but it's good, but I'm going to try something else. And this is what I'm going to replace it with. So yeah, it's big. It's from Sato Racing. So if you are familiar with Sato Racing, then I think this is the go-to brand back then. There was no Evutex. It's always Sato Racing from Japan. They made one of the best motorcycle parts that you can get. They're famous for rear sets, some guards, bar ends. So yeah, mostly rear sets. They're the go-to for racing, really racing. If you go to the SBK racings, there a lot of them are using Sato Racing. So I got these. Um, these are the heaviest bar ends that I could find. Well, there is another one that's heavier, but they don't come with inner weight. So this one is the heavier because this is made out of stainless steel. So it has a lot of weight to it. I'm just holding it like this too. Puts weight on my body. So this one, like I said, this one is like half a pound or half a pound. This one is 1.5 pounds. Hold on, let me check. This one is a pound. Each of this ends is a pound, so it's twice that. So this is already doing a good job. This is twice as heavy, so it should do a better job. And I added inner weights, so that's an additional 7 ounces or half a pound. So each of this bars used to have half a pound, and now I'm going to change it um to one and a half pounds. So it's 3 times the dampening. Should be no 3 times the weight. Should not be 3 times the dampening because that's not how physics work. So yeah, these are heavy. I'm going to install it, and then I'm going to do a test ride and let you know if it's any good. Um, so how do you might ask how much? I don't know. Just go to Sato Racing. I imported this from the U.S. and shipped it here to the Philippines. I forgot about the price. Please check there. But why I got inner weights? Because I read in a lot of forums what they do. If you really want to dampen the vibration, they put some things inside here. so to dampening to dampen it. But and I found this inner weights, and I wanted to give them a try. It spiked it triggered my curiosity, so I'm going to try and hope it works. It should look good because it's stainless. It's original. Sato Racing. It's there. It's high quality. It's not going to fake. Just like this. This has been exposed to the elements, rain, sun, and all that thing, and still pristine. Very good quality aluminum. All right. Cheers. I'll let you know once I do a test ride. And so I finished writing this last Sunday. One Sunday morning. I was able to do 157.6 kilometers on this bike. The farthest I've gone was around 75 kilometers nonstop. And just an update on this one. It There's no vibration. I used to have some numbness on my hand that I needed to shake my hand so that the numbness would be gone. But this one, no, nothing. I had my hands on the throttle the whole time, and there was no issue. I was doing a highway and a lot of spirited riding on the twisties. Had a lot of low end RPM and high end RPM, and everything was fine. No numbness. So this is really nice. So if you want, I think the best way to make your Ducati smoother than it already is. Much smoother. I can say it's night and day how smooth this is with this one. It felt weird. It still sounded like a Ducati, but does not vibrate like a Ducati. So that's really nice. So just let's do a startup. Yeah, you can see here it's barely shaking, and there's a button here that really makes it vibrate, not vibrate. It's this one. Yeah. So if you really don't want any vibration on your Ducati, turn it off. Nothing. You can feel it's like nothing, and also it's not going to go anywhere. So yeah, vibration is a part of owning a Ducati. It's part of its character. What do you expect? You got a big L twin engine, and don't expect it to be as smooth as an inline four. So that's it. It's a character of the bike. Love it, hate it, get used to it. That's why I like the Ducati because of the vibration. It makes you feel connected with the bike. You know what the bike is doing, and that vibration really is part of motorcycle riding. If you don't want any vibration on your hands, go drive a car. Cheers, guys. Bye.